Welcome dear 10th standard students. In this video class I am going to teach chapter geometry, topic similarity, subtopic similar triangles. To teach subs from the exercise 4.1, sum number 3 to 9. Exercise 4.1 third sum. A vertical stick of length 6 cm casts a shadow 400 cm long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Using similarity, find the height of the tower. BC is a triangle. Here AB is height of the stick of 6 meter. BC is shadow of the vertical stick 400 centimeter, that is 4 meter. Another triangle PQR. PQ is height of the tower, that is taken as H. QR is the shadow of the tower is 28 meter. To find the height of the tower using similarity. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle P is equal to angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Angle C and angle R equal because BC, AC and PR are parallel. Therefore, AA similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. By proportional, AB by PQ is equal to PC by QR. AB is 6 by PQ is H is equal to BC is 4 by QR is 28. H is equal to 28 into 6 by 4. 28 is divided by 4, we get 7. 7 into 6. H is equal to 7 into 6. 7 is 42. 7 into 6 is 42. Height of the tower is 42 meter. Fourth sum, two triangles QPR and QSR, right angled at P and S respectively, are drawn on the same base QR and on the same side of QR. If PR and SQ intersecting at T, prove that PT into TR is equal to ST into TQ. Here, two triangles are given. PQR and SQR are the same base QR. The line PR and the side PR and SQ are meet at a point T. To prove PT into TR is equal to ST into TQ. In triangle PQR and SQR, angle P is equal to angle S is equal to 90 degree. Angle PTQ is equal to angle STR. Vertical opposite angle are equal. By AA similarity, triangle PTQ is similar to triangle STR. By proportional, TQ by TR is equal to PT by ST. Cross multiplication, we get ST into TQ is equal to PT into TR. Therefore, PT into TR is equal to ST into TQ. Hence proved. Fifth sum, in the adjacent figure, triangle ABC is right angled at C and DE is perpendicular to AB. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to ADE and hence find the length of AE and DE. In triangle ABC and triangle ADE, angle AED is equal to angle ACB is 90 degree. Angle A is common. By AA similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus equal to AC square plus BC square. AC is 5 square plus BC is 12 square. 5 square 25, plus square 144. 25 plus 144 169. AB square is equal to 169. AB is 13. By similarity, AD by AB is equal to ED by BC is equal to AE by AC. AD 3 by AB 13 is equal to ED by BC 12 is equal to AE by AC is 5. Taking first and second, ED by 12 is equal to 3 by 13. ED is equal to 3 into 12 by 13. ED is equal to D. D is 36 by 13. 3 into 12, 36 by 13. Then taking first and third, AE by 5 is equal to 3 by 13. AE is equal to 3 into 5 by 13. AE is 15 by 13. 3 into 5, 15. Sixth sum. In the adjacent figure, triangle ACB is similar to triangle APQ. If BC is 8 cm, PQ is 4 cm, PA is 6.5 cm and AP is 2.8 cm, find CA and AQ. In triangle ACB and triangle APQ. Triangle ACB is similar to triangle APQ. Here BC is 8 cm and PQ is 4 cm. BA is 6.5 cm. AP is 2.8 cm. To find CA and AQ, the given two triangles are similar triangles. By similarity, PQ by BC is equal to PQ by BC is equal to AP by AC is equal to AQ by AB. PQ is 4 by 8, BC is 8 is equal to AP is 2.8 by CA is equal to AQ by 6.5. Here, these three are equal. Taking first and second, 4 by 8 is equal to 2.8 by CA. Cross multiplication we get CA is equal to 2.8 into 8 by 4. 8 by 4 is 2. 2.8 into 2, 5.6. CA is 5.6 centimeter. Then taking first and third, AQ by 6.5 is equal to 4 by 8. AQ is equal to 4 by 8 is 1 by 2 into 6.5. AQ is equal to 1 by 2 into 6.5. AQ is equal to 6.5 is divided by 2, we get 3.25. AQ is 3.25 centimeter. Seventh sum. In figure, OPRQ is a square and angle MLN is 90 degree. Prove that first one, triangle LOB is similar to triangle QMO, and second one, triangle LOB is similar to triangle RNPN, and third one, triangle QMO is similar to triangle RPN, and the fourth one, QR square is equal to MQ into RN. Seventh one, triangle LMN is divided into 3 triangles and 1 square. Triangle LOP and triangle QMO and triangle RPN and square QRPO. First one, in triangle LOP and triangle QMO, angle OLP is equal to angle OQM is equal to 90 degree. Angle LOP is equal to angle OMQ, corresponding angle. By AA similarity, thus two triangles are similar. Triangle LOP is similar to triangle QMO, taken as 1. Second one, in triangle LOP and triangle RPN, angle OLP is equal to angle PRN is 90 degree. Angle LPO is equal to angle PNR, corresponding angles. By AA similarity, triangle LOP is similar to triangle RPN, taken as 2. From 1 and 2, first one, triangle LOP is similar to triangle QMO. The second one, triangle LOP is similar to triangle RPN. Left side are equal, so right sides are equal. Triangle QMO is similar to triangle RPN, taken as 3. From these two triangles, triangle QMO is similar to triangle RPN. QM by PRP is equal to QO by RN. QM by RP is equal to QR, because it is a square, all the sides are equal. You take QR, then QO is taken as QR by RN. Cross multiplication we get QR into QR square is equal to QM into RN. Hence proved. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, such that the area of the triangle ABC is 9 cm square and the area of the triangle DEF is 16 cm square and BC is 2.1 cm, find the length of EF. Here two triangles are given, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. The area of the triangles is also given. The area of the triangle is area of the triangle ABC is 9 cm square. Area of the triangle DEF is 16 cm square. BC is the one of the side of the triangle ABC is 2.1 cm. EF is one of the side of the triangle DEF. To find the length of the DEF, given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Therefore, area of the triangle ABC by area of the triangle DEF is equal to BC square by EF square. Area of the triangle ABC is 9 by area of the triangle DEF 16. 9 by 16 is equal to BC is 2.1 the whole square by EF square. EF square is equal to 2.1 square into 16 by 9. 2.1 taking square root, EF square is EF. 2.1 square is 2.1. 16 square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 9 is 3. 2.1 is divided by 3. We get 0.7 into 4. 0.7 into 4, 2.8 centimeter. Length of EF is 2.8 centimeter. Ninth sum. Two vertical poles of heights 6 centimeter and 3 centimeter are erected above the horizontal ground AC. Find the value of Y. PA and RC are the two vertical poles standing above the horizontal ground AC. Join PC and RA. It intersect at Q. A line QB is perpendicular to AC. To find the length of the QB. In triangle PAC and triangle QBC, angle PAC is equal to angle QBC, corresponding angle. Angle C is common. By AA similarity, triangle PAC is similar to triangle QBC. By similarity, CB by CA is equal to QB by PA. CB by CA is equal to QP is Y by PA is 6, taken as 1. In triangle RCA and triangle QBA, angle RCB is equal to angle QBA, corresponding angles. Angle A is common. By AA similarity, triangle RCA is similar to triangle QBA. AP by AC is equal to QB PQ by RC. AB by AC is equal to QB Y by RC, 3 taken as 2. Adding 1 and 2. AB by AC is equal to CB is written as BC by AC is equal to Y by 6 plus Y by 3. Denominator are equal, so numerator is added. AB plus BC by AC is equal to, here denominator 6 and 3, so LCM is 6. Y plus 2y by 6. AB plus BC is AC by AC is equal to 3y plus 2y, 3y by 6. 3 by 6. AC by AC is 1. 1 is equal to y by 2. Y is equal to 2 meter. The value of y is 2.